No, 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 no. Hey, I don't need that help.
We're painting pumpkins for Halloween. Ariel painted them black, and now we're going to put glow-in-the-dark handprints on it.
Except for mine.
For Candace's first Halloween.
No!
And Ariel's going to decorate hers. What do you want?
I was going to give her a drink.
I moved it.
Give it back so I can distract her for a minute before she destroys it.
Here.
Here. Hold that. Candace? No, no shredding paper. You're not a shredder.
It's actually ripping paper.
She's all ready. But it's taking Daddy forever. Right, Ariel?
Get some scissors.
Candace. Oops.
Candace want book handprint these?
Candace. Candace, look at Mommy. Hi. Hi.
Where's the sponges at? Because that probably easier to roll
Ariel.
on your fingers.
Where's the sponges?
Where'd all the sponges?
I put them there. That's where I left them.
Where?
I left them.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Damn
I
spot ate them.
left them right there. Or they're right over here somewhere. That I
Just
can't
walk in
find.
front of the camera. Give me a knife, please, or scissors. I can't get this seal to break.
So I remember that I had a blue one right there.
May as well pause it then.
Here, let me check.
How do you pause it?
See how they are. Yeah. Give me a newspaper first, thanks.
Maybe Candace turned.
I don't need any help.
Daddy needs lots of help. You better hurry.
Candace.
Daddy need to hurry. Baby, no
I
patience.
can't help it. We weren't prepped for this. Leave it there.
Candace likes newspaper.
Thank you.
You gotta make it printable.
Pumpkin is a drum. Pumpkin is a drum.
You gotta make it flat. Pick it up.
Candace.
Hey. Okay, now it's time for the fun time.
We get to put stuff
You
on
don't need to
there.
hold the camera. Come over and help me.
Yes,
I don't want to.
You're going to have to keep her hands kind of back
So you can smoosh it.
so I can put it on and you can help put it on because her hands are already turning black from the...
Okay.
What? My hands are turning black from this?
From the newspaper.
Oh.
You're going to need to put way more than that on.
Yeah, that's...
Use the tip and just like dab it on her hands.
Yeah.
With your fingers.
Candace.
There you go. That'll work.
Here, hurry up, get the other hand.
Just do one hand, it don't matter.
That's not going to work so well. The handprint idea was a good idea, but I don't think it's going to work.
Not for her yet.
Slime all over. Hold on.
Do you want Sissy to do something? Yeah, do that. Printy, printy, printy.
Put it on the pumpkin.
Did it work?
Get another hand.
Did it work? Ew, it looks like a mush gush.
Hold on, don't just push it on her.
It doesn't matter. It's not going to turn out right.
It might have if you let me.
Okay, you try then.
What am I going to do? It's washable.
She's like, I want divorce.
I want to see good.
No. What?
Here.
Not my pumpkin.
They might have. Don't put it near your face. Okay, we tried. We'll have to wait and see when it gets dark. It might, you never know.
Sammy's gonna have some more now.
You can have it,
Hey,
yeah. Go ahead and take it out.
relax. Hey, be right back. Hey! Just don't do that.
Okay, boy. You said we missed everybody? Yeah.
Okay. You didn't have a sharp end. Stop it. Look what Ariel do.
I'm not quite sure what she's doing. She's silly. Not as silly as you are. Hey.
She's like, Dad.
Where do you get that song from?
You wanna watch? Go watch it, Ariel? Hannah, Daddy? Nope, you don't touch it. Look, they're to Ariel.
You got it, girl?
Say,
Hi.
say hi, Ariel.
Grandma Lori, I like the shirt.
Everybody, because everybody will see it. Grandma Lou. Everybody.
Ooh, look at the spots. I wonder what it'll look like. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say
Bye.
You gotta lean over
Bye-bye.
and down. Bye-bye. Ariel, she can do it.
Say bye-bye, kids.
Bye-bye.